Hi everybody, I want to unbox i17 for you today. i17 TWS, and TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo. As you can see, it is really beautiful and stylish. It is glowy, small box. It has a connector. This cable is about 25 centimeter and it is iPhone 8 pin connector. Look at them. It is flashing blue and red, and it means it is ready to be paired. When you pair them, both of them will be paired, and it works about 3 and 4 hours, and it is written there in the connector, in the instructions. Sorry, I want to pair it with my cell phone, and I turn on the Bluetooth. And when you want to pair it, you can click on the add button, but I have paired it before, and I will rename it to the TWS again. So it is connected. When you connect, it doesn't flash anymore, and both of them will be paired. Actually, you can see there on the cell phone, if there is a problem with one of the AirPods, and if one of them is not paired, you can put it back in the small box and take it out, and it will pair itself automatically. I turn off my cell phone and I put it aside. I bought this 4-port adapter from Amazon, and it is fast charging, and you can connect to the connector and charge it easily. And one of the things that I want to tell you that it is actually magnetic. If you put it inside the box, it will switch itself directly inside the hole, and there is no button on it. It is touch, and you can buy it from Amazon about 25 euro. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like it.